Hi everybody, I'm going car camping today. We are heading to Cameron Highlands. As you can see, stock standard. Okay, no fancy shelves, nothing. Okay, I'll be sleeping in the car tonight. Okay, so over here we have water for washing, my table, chair, pillows, blankets and mattress. Okay, now we go to the front. Over here we have food, drinks all in there. Okay, at the bottom there, power bank, stove, fan, barang, everything you need to go camping. Oh, look at that, man, beautiful weather. Nice and cool, no rain. Okay, in another 5 kilometers I'll be turning into Tapa and making my way up to Cameron Highlands. Okay, so this is where I'm going to spend the night. Nice, misty, cool, really beautiful place. See, this is dinner. Okay? And this is my setup. Okay, for dinner. And this is the view I'm gonna get while enjoying that dinner. You can't get any restaurant near view like this. Okay, so this is my setup. Very simple. Table, chair, power station. And then after that, fold all the seats down. Mattress, pillow, and one fan over there. Perfect. Tonight is gonna be a nice cool night. Hopefully it doesn't rain. Now look at that. Beautiful sunset. Okay, gonna enjoy a movie now. This view is worth waking up to. Nice Cameron Highlands sunrise. Okay, I've left Cameron Highlands. It was good. It was a good trip. Cameron Highlands is a good place to go car camping, especially up at Mossy Forest. Very cool, 17 degrees temperature, perfect for me.